In this video, I will show you how to swap on Tonkeeper. To do this, just go and open up Tonkeeper, and you will need to first have some crypto in your account to actually swap with. So down here you can see I have a little over $10 in Ton, and now if I want to swap this for a different currency on Tonkeeper, then what I can do is from the home screen here just click swap. Then here at the top select the currency you want to swap from, and then at the bottom select what you want to receive. So right now it's set to USDT, but I can pick any of these tokens right here, so I have quite a few of them. For example, if I want to do this one, then I can just select it, then at the top select how much you want to swap. You can also click max, and then it will do the maximum amount, and then just click continue at the bottom. Then you will see an overview, and from here just going to click on confirm, and then it will be swapped for that currency. Now for example, I will just do it with USDT right now, so I'll click max and then click continue. Now you can see the fee is a maximum of 0.3, which is quite a lot on a smaller transaction like this, but from here just click confirm if you want to do it, and then again click confirm, then enter your passcode, and then it's done. As you can see, if I now go to my wallet and refresh, so now it's going to take a few seconds for it to actually swap. So you can see the wallet has been initialized and now it's on its way, and you will then receive the USDT within a few minutes. So that's how you can swap on Tonkeeper. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.